สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy, and today it's time to level up your green curry cooking skill. I have once made the green curry recipe video, but today I'm gonna make it a little bit different because I'm going to use beef which need different techniques. So let's get started. So here we braise the beef first, so the beef will get the nice brown color. And after that, we're gonna add the coconut milk into this pan. And sometimes there's so much water in the meat, so it will take quite a long time. You have to be patient if you want beautiful results. So I just add the coconut milk after the beef is beautiful and brown. I add coconut milk about 500 ml or half a liter and another half a liter of the water. And after that, we're gonna let it boil. In the meantime, we're gonna prepare the paste. And now I'm going to put the lid on, let it boil under the lid about 45 minutes or until it gets tender. Ooh. Oh, smells so good. It is so steamy and hot here while I'm cooking the meat, so I like to talk a little bit about pounding. I love pounding, especially the paste, and I give you a little bit of tips. When you pound the paste, you need to use something heavy, thick, and hard, like this stone mortar and pestle. And I see lately that Uncle Roger has used this kind of pestle and mortar and trying to pound and pound and pound the green curry paste, and he even told us he took 30 minutes. You don't need to waste that much energy for 30 minutes in pounding while you can use the right instrument, this one. So stop using the wrong equipment in Thai kitchen. In that sense, you save your energy to pound something else. I'm preparing the ingredients for the paste and I'm pounding this cumin seeds and coriander seeds. Just 1 ml of the white peppercorn. Put the dry spices aside. They are going to be added to the paste at the end of the process. The base for the green curry paste consists of lemongrass. For this recipe, I use half a cup, followed by half a cup of chopped Thai shallots. While braising, it's important to check now and then that there is enough liquid in the pan to avoid burning the meat. Peel roughly 1 tablespoon of kaffir lam rind. Slice galangal, then cut it down into smaller pieces to make it easier to crush in the pestle and mortar. We need some garlic. And this is coriander root. It is not necessary to have in this paste, but if you have it, it's going to be good for the nice aroma in this paste. You can also use it. And the green chilies are of course the main ingredient. So I'm gonna start pounding now. As usual, we start from the hard ingredients. If you are interested in making curry paste from scratch, I'd recommend you to also watch my green curry paste tutorial, link in the description. Chilies. Okay, so now the base of the paste is ready, and it took about 14 to 15 minutes only. There you go. When you use the right pestle and mortar, it won't take that long time, and the result is very beautiful. By the way, there is another technique I'd like to tell you today. If you think that your paste is not green enough, you can add this sweet basil leaf. You just plunge it in the water quickly, maybe 6 seconds, and then add into the paste. But for me today, it seemed very beautiful, nice, sweet green color already. So I will skip sweet basil today. And add 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of shrimp paste into your paste. Okay, so now we have the paste and the beef ready. Next step, we are going to cook the green curry. And normally if I'm in Thailand, I'll use the fresh coconut milk and it's easily to cook until the oil separate. But today we don't have it. We use the coconut milk from the box. So I'm gonna add a little bit of cooking oil into the pan. And the galangal that I use today is a bit old and hard. So if you're afraid that it's gonna be bitter in the paste, you can add the palm sugar while you're stirring this paste right away. So that palm sugar gonna bind the taste very well. It is very nice and fragrant. Here you have to be patient. Try to cook or stir fry your paste until it's cooked well before you add the meat into the paste. And don't use too high heat. Okay, my paste is ready. I'm gonna add the meat now. Let me add a little bit of liquid first. Add the breast beef to the curry. Don't forget to deglaze so you get all the delicious flavor from the meat. Turn the meat in the paste before adding coconut milk. The trick is to add the coconut milk a little at a time. You want the flavors to bloom slowly. Add too much too soon and you risk diluting the taste. Here, you see the oil separating. This is what you want to achieve. At this point, you add the Thai eggplant. Since it only needs a few minutes of cooking, you want to maintain that crunch. I also add pea eggplants. It's up to you if you want to use both types or just one. Add the rest of the coconut milk as per your preference. As you can see, I like my curry creamy and not too hot. Mix carefully, bring to a boil, and adjust the taste with fish sauce. That's very nice. When the curry is ready, we add Thai sweet basil, then stir gently. Add kaffir lime leaves and then take it off the heat. So now you know how to make green curry with beef. And the final tips for the green curry today is before you serve, you can give it a rest for 5 to 10 minutes and don't forget to garnish it. And thank you for watching the video. You can find the ingredients below or visit our website worldofthaifood.com and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For today, have a spicy day. ขอบคุณค่ะ That beef is so tender and rich of coconut flavor. You really have to try this recipe.